Choosing a quality system is very important. You obviously want the panel to last. That's just a fundamental. You want your inverter or your microinverter to be reliable, to last its warranty period, but well beyond in fact. But also in terms of the performance and the yield of some of the products that we use, you'll get more yield per square metre on your roof. So when you've got a certain amount of roof space, you want to maximise what you're going to get out of there. Firstly, just on the performance drops off significantly with some of the cheaper manufacturers, even tier 1 panels. Quality is about getting more power for a longer period, a better quality product that will last on your roof. They drop off at a much slower rate, and so you therefore, over the life of the system and the investment, over that 25-year warranty period, for example, you're going to get a lot more out of a quality system than you will out of an inferior system. Reliability and performance is definitely a factor. We will advise our customers that you will get probably 10% better yield out of our products and our offering than you will out of a standard offering, not to mention the longevity of the product. Our customers are looking to make a sound investment. Our systems will take a little bit longer, they're a little bit dearer up front, but you certainly get a better value investment.